Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that cycles between periods of eating and fasting. While there are different approaches to intermittent fasting, the benefits generally include both physical and mental aspects. It's important to note that individual responses may vary, and consulting with a healthcare professional is advisable before making significant changes to your diet. Here are some potential benefits of intermittent fasting. 1. Weight loss and fat loss. Caloric restriction. Intermittent fasting often leads to a reduced calorie intake, which can contribute to weight loss. Increased metabolism. Some studies suggest that intermittent fasting may boost metabolism, potentially aiding in fat burning. 2. Improved insulin sensitivity. Intermittent fasting may enhance insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes by helping regulate blood sugar levels. 3. Heart health. IF has been associated with improvements in heart health markers, including reduced blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and triglycerides. 4. Cellular repair and autophagy. During fasting, the body may initiate autophagy, a process that removes damaged cells and cellular components, promoting cellular repair. 5. Brain health and cognitive function. Some studies suggest that intermittent fasting may have neuroprotective effects, potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases and improving cognitive function. 6. Longevity. While research is ongoing, there is some evidence in animal studies that intermittent fasting may promote longevity by influencing factors associated with aging. 7. Inflammation reduction. IF may help reduce inflammation, which is implicated in various chronic diseases. 8. Simplicity and flexibility. Intermittent fasting can be easier to adhere to than traditional calorie restriction diets for some individuals, as it doesn't necessarily involve complex meal planning or food restrictions. 9. Potential cancer protection. Some studies in animals suggest that intermittent fasting may have protective effects against certain types of cancer, although more research is needed in humans. 10. Improved blood lipid profile. Intermittent fasting may positively impact blood lipid profiles by reducing levels of LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. It's essential to approach intermittent fasting with caution, as it might not be suitable for everyone, especially those with certain medical conditions or specific dietary requirements. Additionally, the long-term effects and optimal protocols for intermittent fasting are still areas of ongoing research. As with any lifestyle change, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before incorporating intermittent fasting into your routine.